Good evening. Good. So basically, in today's class, we're gonna cover all the rest thing that we have been left with YouTube, like how we can upload any video on YouTube with keyword stuffing that will ultimately help to rank our video and channel on Google or YouTube. So basically, all these things we're gonna cover today. Now I'm just going to share my screen.
Good evening.
Yes.
Good
Good.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Happy MSME Day.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Really means a lot. Can you see my screen? Is it visible to all?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Perfect.
ma'am. Yes.
Great. So basically, again, in today's class, I'm going to open Canva again. So what is the reason for opening this? I'll tell you in a while. Here I'm just taking YouTube video templates. The landscape template I'm taking, like the blank template I have taken right now. So for that, I just want to share few things like how you can use all these apps for your YouTube channel if you want to generate any AI generated videos. Basically, you can make through this. So, like right now, you can see I have opened only horizontal blank template, and again, I'm coming back to app section. How you can create video, I've already discussed right in the day third, I guess. So here I am on apps just to show you few things like, wait a minute. Hey Jen, now you can take out your bring notebooks. HeyGen AI avatar is the keyword that you need to write on app section. First of all, just watch out my screen, then I'll give you time to review about it. Just write down in your notebook, HeyGen AI avatar is the keyword that you have to use under app section. Like first one we have HeyGen AI avatars, then we have DID AI avatars. It is also good. So first of all, I am going to click on this HeyGen AI avatar. Like I have already used this before, so it's not asking me to log in it with my Gmail account. If you are coming first time for the first time on it, then it will ask you to log in, so you have to just simply log in with your Gmail account. Then you can see such kind of avatars will be visible to you. Like you can take any of the avatar. All these are AI avatar that's already been given. All these are pre avatars. Then you can see, below this we have one option that is for uploading on image. Like you can take on image, from image you can generate into the video. So this is the tool that is all about. HeyGen AI avatar is the tool in which you can take any image, right? And you can basically convert that image into video by giving a proper script to it. Like here you can upload your own image as well, like from Google you can take, and even you can I'll recommend you to take your own image. And one more thing that you have to keep in your mind, like in free, because we are using in free right here, so it will give you only three options to upload. So right here I have uploaded some of the images, so that's why it will not give me some other option. Like when you will be able to try to upload your own image, then it will ask you to connect your account. Right now I'm just connecting. I've already connected before, so that's why I need to just click on my account. Otherwise you have to connect it with Gmail ID. right? I have signed in successfully. Now again it will give me an option to upload my own image. When I'm going to click, so this is the option that will be visible to me, like I can upload any of the image from my file. So in previous I have taken Akash sir's image actually. So you can see this is the image, right? Then at the below you can see a view mode option will be there, where you need to select, like in square you just want a person to speak all the script, or in a full view mode. So I have taken this. And the background color you can select, like I want a background color of black. So this is how I guess it's visible to all. You can select the background color. Then we have text and audio option. So text is something where you can write your own script. If you will click on audio button, here it will given, like you can upload your own mp3, mp4a or wav format with the maximum size of 5 MB. So I'm just using type your script option here, like hello students, we are here for the digital marketing sessions. Sorry. So for now, I'm just taking this one line only, right? Then after scroll it down, you can see some of the voice will be there. Once you will click on see all button, you can have all the voices related to male and female. So I'm just coming to male. Here you can see all the audios are available. You can just listen and can select each, like English, which English language basically you were searching for. So I just want to have English US language. You can even, you can listen, like you can't hear this right now because I've shared my screen, but in your laptop you can hear this. So I have selected for example this one. Now what I need to do, like I have selected the voice. Now I need to click on use button, right? So this is how I've selected. Here you will be able to see one option, that is listen to your script. Once you will click on listen to your script, so before generating, actually whatever the script I have written in this box, it's like I can hear this. So here I need to click on generate video button. Now that image can be converted into video with that proper lip sync uh, video, like whatever the script I have written, it will be uh, spoken by the image with proper. Which option to take, Hagen AI avatar? You have, I have just taken upload image actually. Now can click on add to design button. Once I will click on add to design button, it will automatically become at the blank page. Again repeating basically what we did. Actually we come on Canva and come to this app section, written the keyword Hagen AI avatar. So right now you can see the logo is visible, but we can smartly crop this. This is how you can crop this. I can, you can see, I guess you can see the exact lip sync is there according to the script I have written. Now I can take any of the background, and this is how you can generate image to video in single click. The same thing that you can go for with DIDAI avatar. Now again just write this one, DIDAI avatar, that is similar. Okay. So basically again you will be able to see one option where you can upload your own, and all these are available. Like here I'm just uploading, but again for upload you have to connect with your Google account. It will take again few minutes to connect. Actually, I'm not going to show it practically. Just note it down, DIDAI avatar, because we have a lot to discuss about YouTube on account. So I'm just leaving it for right now. Here you can upload, you can select the background color. Again, the same thing is there, text and audio option is there. You can listen and you can generate. So this is something that you can use alternatively. Like if Hagen AI avatar is not working, then you can use DIDAI avatars, right? So basically, two tools from the app section is only for the text to video generation. I hope it's clear to everyone how to save only audio files generated by AI. Okay, so Nisha, basically what happened? You have to just take this video, right? You can see there is no option to download it directly, so you have to take on the page only and then you need to download. So you can't get this downloaded as it is. Or you can see under the upload section your video will be there. I guess from here you can see, yes, yes. Is it available? It is available actually. Once you will come on the upload section where it will be uploaded, so you have to just come to this three dot and you will be able to see this download option. So you don't need to take it on the page and from the share button. You can use it as it is. It's given. Could someone please kindly tell what was the homework yesterday? Actually, yesterday we have covered YouTube channel creation. Thank you, Pranav. Parth, actually, you have to come to app section on Canva. Under app section, you have to search Hagen AI avatar and then you can search DIDAI avatar. Okay. Now, the next thing that you have to keep in your mind, like you can see actually how people are, monetizing their channel on YouTube. Basically, they are creating such kind of funny motivational shorts where they are getting so much audience through that shorts only, and they are uploading only faceless videos. With that faceless videos generation and by uploading on their accounts, they are getting enough traffic, enough audience, and this is how they have completed their watch hours or the subscribers limitations and all. So this is the way basically nowadays people are getting like channels are getting monetized. So again, you have to come to app section, right? Actually, video and audio both is there, because I have shared my screen, so it's not audible to all. It can be audible if you will start on your own, right? Faceless video means, yes, Neha, coming to that. Faceless video means is something where you don't need to show your own face and you don't need to generate your own content. You just want to take a AI pictures or some Google pictures or something. So this is something faceless video. So again, you have to come to app section. You have to just write the keyword faceless AI faceless video. This is the exact keyword that you have to search on app section. AI faceless video. First tool that we have discussed today is Hagen AI Avatar. Second is DIDA avatars. Like the exact name is DID AI avatars. And the third keyword that you have to write is AI faceless video. Now you just need to press on AI faceless video. Again, the first option that will be there, you have to just click on it. Once you will click on it, you will be able to direct to these two options like series and the create. Again, you will come to this create option. Now you can see you don't have enough Fabler credits. Like I've already used some credits is there, because we are using all of the AI tools, right? In these 3 weeks, all are free. If we are talking about some free tools, so obviously there will be some limitations as well. So these are the limitations. Like they will give you some few option to generate free videos, otherwise they will ask you to upgrade your subscription. So I'm not telling you to upgrade subscription. I'm just telling you that like you have to use those tools, those websites who are free, like till free credits, use that. Or otherwise you can switch the Gmail accounts with some other ID. You can generate some videos with free credits available, then use all alternatives of that website. So this is the thing that you can use again, but never go for the upgrade subscription or something for this kind of websites and tools. This is the thing that I will recommend to all. Right. Okay, right. Here you can see create new series where three options will be there, like which kind of content you want to create, like a category. Under category, you have to just select the category, like which on which niche basically, or which category you want to create. Like you want to have some kids story, then you need to select the duration. So this is how like you can maximum limit is 3-minute video you can generate. After this you have to go for highest plan, like for subscription, and this is how you can go for 3 minutes videos. And you can see one more thing, use 16 of 3 Fabler AI credits. Like you can see some of the credits will be available, like 3 Fabler credits are there. If I'm going to use 3 minutes, then all the credits will be used. If I'm going to take it 30-second video, then 1 Fabler credit will be used. So this is how you have to just select the category, which category video you want to create. Then you have to choose the duration. Then we have settings. Under settings, you have to take like vertical video for shorts or reels, or the landscape or horizontal video for the full length video of YouTube. So you can select accordingly. Then we have art style, like what art style that you want to add, like Pixar, comic book, Disney, digital art, anime, or photorealistic. Photorealistic are something like the real photos will be used in that video. Then we have language, in which language, again English is the only available for us, and some other language will be there, like no Hindi language. Then we have narration voiceover, like if you want to add voiceover, then you have to open the on this, otherwise you can keep it off. Then again you can select the voice, man, woman, or which voice you want to take. You can play and then preview. Then we have subtitles option as well. Right, you can keep it on if you want subtitles to be there on video, and you can select which font, in which font basically subtitle should be there. Some specific font will be there. Font color and the border you can select, like if you want to take it in yellow color, so this is the font and the color of that particular subtitle that you want to, and the border weight as well, border color. So this is the thing. Then we have advanced one, where you can show thumbnail on start. If it's starting, thumbnail should be there. So, and you can, this is how you can create your series. So this is the thing that we have covered under category section. You have to do this. Under prompt section, you just need to write your whole storyline concept basically. The prompt basically is something, it should be related, like a concept you will give, and again the same thing will be there. You have to choose narration style will be storytelling or fact focused or something. And the same thing, you have to go for create series. And if you will click on script, the exact voiceover script you should give, exact script you should give, that will be spoken by the narration, uh, like the character whatever you have taken or something. So the exact script will be taken. Under prompt, kind of storyline concept will be given, and they will create accordingly. AI basically will create accordingly. And under category, you have to just give category. All the script or the storyline will be taken by the AI only. So I have already used my credits. So right now I can't click on this create series button. I'm just coming back to the series that have already created. So this is the video that I've already generated. So in like I have selected the category motivational. So this is the title that is being taken by AI, the secret of successful people's inner circle. This will open your eyes, right? And this is the title, this is the complete script. Once I will click on add to design, it can be edited in few minutes. So actually the complete this video is being generated. Actually it's not uploaded completely, it will take few minutes, then it can yeah, it's there. So this is how it been created, whatever you will choose. So this is the video that I've already generated. Once you will click on create button, then you can choose. So this is something that is given by AI faceless video. And if yes, can yes, the question is, ma'am, can we have 3 4 characters in AI video? No, actually, if you want more than one character, then you have to give a proper script, like this is how two person should be there in the video, one is this, second is this. So you can give a prompt or a exact script. Right here I have chosen the category only. So according to category, all the script and all the storyline has been generated by AI only. So you can go for 3 4 characters, but you have to give a proper prompt, like in this video I just want to have 4 characters, one should be there and one is like this as a something, right? And Sneha asked, can we add two avatars on one single post and generate a video like they are talking? Yes, this can be created. How to add so many picture? You have to just give a prompt, like 2 or 3% should be there and we'll be talking. So this is something where you can't give your own uh, images. You have to just ask for the AI tool by giving a prompt, like you can do. So this is something that can be done. And if you will click this is the first tool I have told you, like about AI faceless video keyword. But you can go for this as well, like once you will click on faceless video, here again you can see such of options will be there. You have to just give the prompt. And even tomorrow we have AI tools class, right? So tomorrow we will have lot of tools related to this, like AI video generation as well. So we can cover all these things tomorrow as well. So this is also there, like you just need to write prompt and one faceless video, only one video can be generated through this. So you have to just see like which app will be helpful for you, like you can use alternatively. Deep reel AI videos, it's been removed by the admin or something, so I can't use this. Then we have synthesis. So this is something you just need to write keyword on app section. Lot of the videos will be there. From video, create video from text and images. So this is something that can be also created by synthesis AI video. You just need to describe your idea, then we have examples you can just use accordingly. So this is the only thing that you have to understand. Like, come to app section, just write this keyword AI faceless video and you can how generally use all these starting tools. That will be, I guess, this 4 videos are there. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone? Faceless video, how can make video in a day? How can make video in a day, matlab, like faceless video, how much can make video in a day? Actually, from the tool that I have told you right now through Canva, will give some credits for lifetime basically. So it once it will be used by one Gmail ID, with one Gmail ID it will give you some specific credits only for the lifetime. If you have used all those credits, then you have to switch to some other Gmail ID, or you have to use some alternatives. After selecting AI icon, I do not get option to upload my photo. Uh, some robots are given where about which you are talking, yeah, right here, Dr. Roy. Same, ma'am. I also don't get option to upload my photos on robots are given. Uh, in which tool you are saying? If you are talking about Heygen or DID, so you
Uh, yeah, ma'am. I got it now. I got it. I got it.
got it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I have to pin myself. Right. I guess it's clear to everyone. So just for now, I need to show you some these apps from Canva itself. Now I'm just crossing it right now, coming back to YouTube. Right. So this is the thing that I feel like you should know about this. And in the next class, like tomorrow, we have one more class related to AI tools. Now, then we will cover some of the tools again that will be helpful for you to generate AI videos. And again, repeating the same thing, like if we are using AI tools in free, so obviously it's very obvious like it will have some limitations, or we have to use those paid tools smartly. So you have to keep in your mind. Now coming back to channel, here you can see this video we have selected for the what option we have for the channel trailer. Like this video has been selected by us yesterday for the channel trailer, so this is how it will appear at the top if someone searches your account, right? I hope you all have covered all these things and have completed. Now I didn't need to remove this, whatever I did. So we have completed dashboard, content, analytics, communities. We were on earn option, right? Yesterday we have covered memberships and supers. Like we have talked about all these 2 points very clearly. If you have not attended the previous class, so you will have recording in the group. You just need to go for the recording. Third option that we have is shopping. What it means basically, like I have taken the example, I guess yesterday. I have two channels. One is for my personal videos, personal blogging, and the second is for my collaboration and as an influencer. I have created that channel where like brands will contact me to promote their product. So this is how I can basically promote their products and even connect that to online store as well. For example, I have my own store. Like I am selling any such kind of face wash. Just take an example. I am a brand ambassador, or I have created that face wash. So through YouTube, what I can do basically, I can promote that face wash and will give a online store. I can connect, and from that video, like people can come to the online store, and by shopping I can have earning through YouTube. So all these three are indirect earnings, we can say, by becoming a creator, and through your fans you can get amount. Like from memberships, your fans and your followers will subscribe, will buy your membership. I will not choose the word subscribe. I'll choose the words membership. Like they will purchase the membership just to watch out the exclusive content of your channel. So by supers, like your fans and your audience can share some kind of super chats or stickers or the thanks to you by purchasing, and you will get that amount somehow. And by shopping, like you can promote your products and you can merchandise on your channel, basically like people can go and purchase your product. So ultimately this is something indirect earning through the YouTube. All these three we have discussed. What is the membership fee? Like you have to choose, go any of the even I can show you. What is that? If it's clearly given, then we can show. The cost of YouTube Premium membership in India is 149 per month for an individual plan, 299 for a family plan, up to 5 members can be added, and 89 for a student plan. So this is the membership plan actually. See, we have many more queries as well. No, if you are talking about like if you are talking about the Hagen AI avatars. Under that, you can't have like more character. You can place, but you have to give a proper. You have to use it smartly. Like you can generate one speech by giving one character proper script. Then you can place in one video. Then you have to select second character, and then you have to give one line speech. Then you can use in second page. By third page again you have to take that first character, then you have to give a second line or second script, whatever you want to take. So this is how you have to use smartly, but it is not possible like you can upload two characters simultaneously and give the lip sync different lip sync in one single format. You have to choose differently. You have to paste on your canvas basically smartly, like it can appear like first person is talking, then it stops, then second is talking, then third talking. So this is how you can generate, though this is the strategy that you have to cover. Otherwise no option is there just to add many characters. Credits are for a single tool or it includes other tool. Credits are for using a single tool or it includes other tools with. No, it's for single tool. If we take Canva Pro, we'll get unlimited. No, it's only for the individual. What is the membership? That the rates which you told changes for official business channel, right? Yes, it will vary according to the channel as well. I hope all these 3 points is clear to everyone. How you can earn through YouTube, but with indirect sources by membership, supers, and shopping. Right? Then we have some benefits may have additional eligibility criteria. The main source of our earning on YouTube is this. Like you have um, to be eligible, you have to meet all the criteria just to be eligible for the monetization process. Here you can see the data is shown by 22 Jan, like it will be updated. It will take a week to update here. So first option that is given is up to 500 subscribers should be there. Like in some new channels you can see 1,000 subscribers limit will be there. So accordingly you can see different criterias, because the timing of or the date of channel creation basically. Previous accounts, those been created 2 to 3 months years, I guess they can see this 500 criteria. So right now what it means basically, I have to complete this, like I should have 500 subscribers. Then the second option is zero video uploads right here, because I have not uploaded any horizontal videos, I have uploaded only shorts. So this is something like I have to upload 3 videos in the last 90 days. So this is the range that is given under in the given range you have to complete this number. Like they are saying within the range of 90 days you have to upload 3 constant videos within the range of 90 days only. For example, the day 91st come and I have uploaded only 2 videos, so it can't be completed. Again it will take next 90 days and then you have to complete this criteria, like to upload these 3 videos. So I guess this is very easy to have 500 subscribers if you are actually working on your channel. And it is so obvious, like you can upload 3 videos in the continuous 90 days as well. So all these two can be completed easily. Now this can be achieved. This is the main thing that you have to complete, and one of the following, these two are required and one of the following. Like you can go for watch hours and you can go for short views, right? So basically in the last 365 days, this is the range that is given period range is given 365 days. Under a continuous 365 days, your public watch hours should be 3000. So this is the actual limit on your horizontal videos. Complete videos, you must have covered 3000 watch hours in the last 365 days. Again, the same thing applies. Like 1 year is there, you have reached to, just take an example, 2900 watch hours. Only 100 watch hours have been left with, but the year has been ended, like the range of 1 year has been ended. So it's been taken zero again. Again, in the next 365 days, you have to complete this criteria. It will start from again zero, because it should be completed in the last 365 days. In the continuous days of 1 year, you have to complete this hours. If it's not completed, again it will start your next 365 days, and it's been taken from zero as well. I guess it's clear to everyone. uh, See, you are on Canva tools right now. Just focus on whatever I'm teaching you right now. If you feel like, if you have doubts related to Canva tools, you can just write it down in your notebook, and you can ask if we will sum up with the today's, right? So don't ask all these questions in between, because right now it is very important. We have to discuss about all these things. So just leave that Canva tools right now. Yes, again repeating, earning eligibility basically. The first is like you have to complete 500 subscriber. It can be easily achieved. Then is in the last 90 days. So you can see the range basically. The last 90 days, last 365 days, and again the last 90 days. So this is something basically in the continuous 90 days. Within a range of 90 days, you have to complete this limit. If it's not completed, then again it will give you a time for the next 365 days, for the next 90 days. Again, you have to complete this limit. So this is something like you have to complete this, you have to complete this. It can be easily completed. And any one of the following, like from these two, anyone can be achieved. Like if you are working on watch hours, you are not uploading any shorts or something, then if you are uploading like horizontal complete videos on YouTube, then your watch hours should be 3000 in the continuous range of 1 year only. If you have completed 1 year and your watch hours are not completed, then it will, you have to start again from 0 to 3000 in the continuous range of 365 days only. So it should be completed, or otherwise you have option, because any one of the following है. So you have to keep in your mind 2 to 7 valid public short views. It should be, it is the number you should upload. 2020 227 valid public short views should be 3 million. So this 2 to 7 I have achieved basically. So like here you can see 0 right now. I have to come, if I'm going to upload the complete video, I have to take it from 0 to 3000. And if I'm working on only shorts, so 2 to 7 views I have been received till now. Like whatever videos I have uploaded, I have to take it to 3 million again in the last 90 days. It can be achieved easily, because shorts are something that can be viral easily. Like people, what people are doing actually right nowadays, people are using Instagram and YouTube just to scrolling the reels and the shorts, right? Those who are not on Instagram, they are using YouTube and watching shorts. So shorts are something that can be
Ma'am,
uh,
is it like, ma'am, a small doubt, like, yes, ma'am, is it like any one of the three criteria should be met for earning, like either the shorts or the
any of these two.
any?
These two should be completed, but additionally any one of these two only.
Okay, ma'am, fine, ma'am.
Yes. So basically this is something like through shorts you can generate this views. Like you can whatever I'm discussing, like people are just scrolling YouTube shorts and watching any content, like anything people are watching on social media. So this is something that you can be achieved, and it is like shorts can be easily getting viral, right? So this is thing that you have to keep in your mind. Like if you are going to monetize your channel, then work on shorts. It can easily be viral. Or in the last 90 days, now you can see 3 million should be there, but in the last 90 days, so here the days limit are less. But this is something that can be achieved if your shorts has something to watch, so it can be achieved easily. But what happened actually, you have to upload at least 5 shots in a day at least. So this is how single shots can be seen, and it can be completed to 3 million. You have, you don't need to upload one shots in a day, you have to upload more than one, like 5 to 10, if you are genuinely working on this. And if you are working on this, then you have to upload at least one video in a day at least. But it can be like in a week you can upload two videos, because we have 365 days somehow. So you can complete this 3000. So all these are eligibility criteria that is given by YouTube only. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
3 million are the views basically, Ananya, right? When you will complete any of one of the following and these two, it can be notified if you will click on get notified. And below you can see ads option are given, like if you want to ads, if you want to go for the ads. Like here you can see showing data as of June 2025. So this is something like up to 25, and now you can see showing data as of June 2025. And again, this eligibility is given where 1000 subscribers should be there, and 4000 watch hours, and the 10 million. Like this is I guess this can be seen on someone's account. And again the same thing is there, like with the timing of channel creation, this can be visible. So both are here. So this is how we have completed, like how you can create your channel just to monetize. And eligibility is for shorts only, for only, or for videos as well? No, actually we have different eligibilities now. For videos we have 3000 watch hours. For reels, for shorts basically, we have 3 million. We have different eligibilities for different, right? Perfect. When is the attendance taken? Which attendance you are talking? What to do if one achieves the eligibility for monetization? Then what happen actually when it's completed, then it will ask you to connect to AdSense account. You have to go to AdSense, it will redirect you basically to AdSense, and where you have to create your account, and then you have to connect your channel to AdSense. Basically AdSense is a platform from where you can start earning, so you have to just connect. It will give you all the directions, like to move ahead. It will give you some directions. Got it? Now, coming to the part, like here you can see audio library is there. So this is something, uh, this is updated by YouTube recently, or you can say by 1 year or 2 year. uh, they have given a one option, that is audio library, where it is giving us some audios that are easy to free, like you can download and you can use this. License type is there, like you can see, you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. So this is something, all those sounds are given by YouTube only. So if you are going to use such kind of tracks, then you will not able to see such kind of community guidelines violations or something. All these are given by YouTube only. And here you can see the duration, so up to 3, like you can watch out. All these are given by audio library. And we have some sound effects as well, like kids playing, kids playing again, truck driving. So all these sound effects and the musics are given. So you can use, like if you are working on the video in which only music, only the tune part is required, then always try to use these audios only, these music, because it will all, it means like there is no restrictions or no copyright issues or no issues in it. You just need to take it from uh, YouTube as well. Now, once you will open your channel, like here, you can see one create option is there. Once you will click on this create option, we have three options: upload video, go live, or the create post. Now starting from create post, once you will click on create post, this is something that you can see by clicking on this post section. So before, I guess if I'm talking about some 4 to 5 years back, we have only one option on YouTube, that is just to upload your video only, that is given in horizontal. uh, by some updations, shorts option is there, short options arrived, and the post option is also there. So which means something like you can share anything, like you have shared on your Instagram and on your Facebook as well. So you can write anything here. I'm just taking an example. And you have option to upload any image. Like you can drag up to 5 images or the GIFs as well. Like up to five means like you can upload the uh, 5 image as in carousel. And this is how you can upload your image and you can write the captions. Second option we have is image poll. For means like you have 2 images. Just take an example. Like previously I have my product, that is XYZ face wash. I just want to promote XYZ face wash. Obviously, with the engagement your account grows. This is the main thing that you have to always keep in your mind while you want to grow your audience base and you want to grow your reach on any social media. If I'm talking about the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or any other social media as well, you have to always try to engage your audience so that your organic reach should be increased. So what means basically, if you are uploading any reels on Instagram and shorts on YouTube, so you have more and more comments on it. So nowadays you can see people are creating content like this, like you have to answer in comments. Like people are saying this thing, like you should comment your answer. This is the format like people are doing right now, just to engage their audience. That will ultimately have help to increase the reach of their page or their account. So this is something that can be used. Like I have taken the example of face wash, so I can upload one some other face wash. Like I can upload, for example, I have two varieties of face wash, like vitamin C and rice water face wash. Just take an example. So I can upload these two photos and I can ask to my audience which one is your favorite. So this is something I can upload more than two options as well. People can engage, like they, once they will watch my post, they will click like I like image one, or I'll go for image two. Like options are given. So this is something that can be used, image poll that can be used to engage, basically. And the text poll again, in which you can ask any of these. And this is how you can, like if you want to ask to your audience like which kind of video you want me to upload next, like for the traveling or the food video. So this is the suggestions even you can take from your audience, or the ultimately your goal is just to increase the engagement of your audience, ultimately will help the account to get more and more reach. So this is the strategy that you have to use. Then we have quiz option. Like this is how you can ask or you can make your audience engaged with your account by asking some questions and giving them quiz. Like they can fill out a quiz, and even in this they can like you can add more and more answers. Then we have video option. Like you can add your existing YouTube videos here. I guess my video will be there. I can select any of my video and can insert and can select, or even I can write about it and can upload in the post section. So this is something that can be used, that can be updated by us to our fans, and just a strategy to engage your audience with your account. Now tell me, how many people have to report a YouTube channel to get banned, and if there is misleading information, will the channel be demonetized? Actually, there is nothing specified like how many people have to report. This is something like you will get such kind of notifications before getting banned. And actually, what happens, like YouTube will check your content. If your account is good now, so by getting more and more report, it will not affect your channel. It will check your whole account, whole videos and whole content. If YouTube feels, like if you Google feels like there is something that is misleading with this account, then they will ban. Quiz format is something like you can design a quiz for your audience. Just take an see, basically what happens, like you will write what is your favorite, or even like I have taken the example of face wash. Now what is the best face wash for acne? Just take an example, I have taken this. I can write the answers. Just taking an example, don't go for this Himalaya or Mama Earth. So this is how I can add multiple answers, and you have to select which one is correct. Like I have to select this is correct, and I can add up to answer and I'll post. So basically what happens, like if people are coming to this and they are accepting this, for example someone comes and click on Mamaearth, then on the spot they can see which is correct, they have given the wrong answer or the right. So this is how, like, you can create quiz according to the accounts. Right now I have just taken the example, so just for clearing it out. Otherwise you have to take with your account line only. Ma'am, but when we post in YouTube channel, we want particular subscribers and then we post as per my inform. Sorry, actually, your question is not clear. Any other doubt to anyone? So this can be done in under the post section. Just bring out your doubts if you have till now related to this YouTube only right now, because we have to move ahead by clicking on this go live option, and then we have to discuss all these things about video upload part only, the main thing that we have to discuss. Any other doubt? No, perfect. So basically what happens, once you will click on create, again we have go live option. But anyone uh, can go for live streaming, but you have to request access to streaming. Once requested, it may take up to 24 hours to get access to live streaming. Like I have to click on request, it's unlock more on YouTube. Like you can see, to access this live streaming on desktop, verify your phone number. It will ask me to verify with my phone number. If I have verified, then only it will give me some options, like I can go for live, I can upload my own custom thumbnail. So this can be done if I'll verify my account with the phone number. So right now I'm not going for this, just to basic understanding I'm sharing this thing. Like once it's being requested, then up to 24 hours it will take in. If you are going to start live streaming for the first time, then it will take this much time. Otherwise, in some hours you will get the access, and you don't need to request again and again once you have done earlier. What is podcast? Actually, podcast is something like in audio format. You want to share anything on your YouTube channel, like a radio, like you listen radio or FM, right? So this is something that is being included in YouTube. Under podcast, you can upload anything in the audio format. I guess it's clear to everyone what is all about the going live streaming. Now coming to the upload video option. Once you will click on upload video, again you have to just select any of the videos like that you want to upload. Right now I'm taking this video, just clicking on this open button, the video I have created in previous classes. Here you need to specify the title. So basically what happened, this is the main thing that you have to fill smartly. Like you have to stuff all those keywords that is somehow required just to rank this particular video or your YouTube channel. So this is the thing that you have to keep in your mind. For example, I just want to check which video I'm sharing right now. Actually, this is nothing. Uh, 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 just wait. Difference between IRL streaming and normal live stream. IRL, what it means? Like, can you specify what you are asking right now? Yes, parts like you don't need to have some subscribers or something. You can post as it is. Post is some like posting is something like you are sharing something to your audience. If you have subscriber or not, it will give, right? Actually, IRL streaming that you are talking is real life streaming something. Yes, yes, yes. Real live stream or live streaming. So live streaming is something that is like people can come like as an influencer. I just want to go for live streaming, then I can come to live streaming. IRL streaming is something like in real life. Although like somehow it is same, but there is a type of live streaming. IRL streaming is a type of live streaming. This is the categories that is given. Otherwise, coming live is the only option that we have. Live streaming is something coming live. IRL is a category of live, where you can just simply broadcast real world experiences or activities. So somehow in games and something, this name is used right now. Sneha, actually, we don't have any, monetized channel right now, so I can't go for that you are asking right now. No link to AdSense. We should have a account. We should have an account that is monetized. Sanath, actually, is it clear to you, like live, real life streaming or live streaming? Again, explaining the same thing. IRL streaming is kind of category of streaming in which you can share some real life experiences. Just take an example. As an influencer, I'm going to Canada and I'm just sharing that life experiences, like the museum I'm just watching. So this thing, like I'm sharing live, lively, I'm sharing exploring a city or exploring any country and sharing that thing. That is IRL streaming. Live streaming is a part, a different category under which, like, you can go for any gaming or any music uh, streaming or something. Matlab, it's kind of different categories only. Clear? Okay, coming back to the upload part right now, I just want to take it back. Just a second, right? Right now, I just want to take the previous video that I've already did in my draft. So for now, I'm just taking it draft video. See, this is the video here. First of all, we have to watch the video. So this is the actual video that I have uploaded. So right now you can see this is something that promoting with the MSME Digital Dronacharya create a 3 week summer boot camp. So basically, the title is required. Here you can see the word limit or the character limit is there. You have to always try to stuff all the required keywords in title. Like I have taken like from basics to pro in 3 weeks. This is the keyword that will ultimately, create on such kind of, uh, the exact word I'm not getting. Actually, what happens whenever you are writing any content or something, your title should be catchy. So the same thing you have to apply on YouTube as well. Your title should be enough catchy, like people will open this and will watch your complete video. So the line I have taken from basics to pro in 3 weeks, so this is something that will attract the customers. Like what kind of content will be there, they will open and will watch, right? Then we have to always use this shift and this line will command. So just to refine your different keywords in single title. So I have taken this line, straight line. Then I have taken MSME X Digital Dronacharya because it's a collaboration of MSME and DD. So I have taken this word. Like if someone searches for Digital Dronacharya, then this video should be there. If someone searches for the MSME, then it should be there. Then we have one option, kickstart your digital career. So this is something that we have included the keyword digital. So related to digital marketing, we are going to teach in this video. So your title should include all the basic keyword that will ultimately help to increase the reach, and somehow like people can search for these keywords, our video can be there on YouTube. Yes, eagerness to join, the exact word I'm not getting was. What is the time restriction for the streaming and the normal uploaded video? Sanath, can you please ask all these streaming options at the end, because right now I am on different topic. Trendy, yes. How does the YouTube algorithm work? We're gonna coming to that as well. So this is something you have to stuff all those required keywords in your title. Try to keep it catchy or interesting, like people can open this. Then we have option to use such kind of 5,000 characters are there, we have to use, and we have to submit all the required keywords in it. like ready to master digital marketing this summer, and all these content has been taken from ChatGPT. On ChatGPT you have to just give a brief idea about your channel, like my channel is all about, channel name is this, it's all about this, you have to give a brief. And then the content of video should be explained in one line. Then you have to write, like give a proper description about my channel, about the video that I'm going to upload right now, and the concept of video you have to explain in one line. Then it will give you a proper description. And always try to use like chat gpt, but always focus on the social media, like for which you are going to create description. Like for Instagram it will give you in different format, for YouTube it will give you in different format. So always specify the social media that you want to go for. So specify description for your YouTube, right, for your YouTube video. So join us for this 3 weeks with the industry experts at Digital Dronacharya. Again, all these emojis have been used. You have to use all these emojis just to make it creative. Like the calendar is there, duration is there, mode is there, organized by, and the training partners are there. And again, you can see the fundamentals, and the syllabus kind of is also included. Then we have some lines. And before adding hashtags, you have to always keep in your mind, always add this line in each video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on upcoming workshops and boot camps. And even like here, you can add some of your CTAs. CTA word, I guess, like call to action should be there. Call to action means, like if you want to share your contact number, like if you have any queries, then you can contact on our number. Then you can give your business number. Then you can also give some other links, such as the website link can be there, and your mail id, like for contacting you can give some other. You have to use these things in each video, this one line and other contacting things, right? So this should be considered. Then you have to try to use keywords as well in hashtag. Like hashtag play an important role in each social media. Like on YouTube you can, on Instagram you can search any hashtag on search bar. You can see the different page will be there, in which all the content will appear at one page, uh, where this particular hashtags has been used. So hashtag plays an important role. You have to always I guess Akash sir has already told you about the hashtags in Facebook classes, like what is the role of hashtag and what kind of hashtag categories you have to include in the hashtag generation. And the main keyword that will ultimately make your video should appear on the top of any searches. So you have to stuff all those keywords, right? We have more and more limits in description, so try to go for it. I guess it's clear to everyone how to write your title and description. Is there any doubt in writing title and description? Stuff as much as keyword that you can stuff. Perfect. See, when you will scroll down, then we have thumbnail option. Right now you can see I don't have any custom option to upload the thumbnail, but if you gonna upload your new video, then you will be able to see one option will be there just to upload your custom thumbnail. But again, for uploading custom thumbnail, you
Madam,
have to verify with your mobile phone. Yes.
yeah. What exactly is thumbnail?
See, actually, what happens if you have watched any of the videos, like any of the shots I'm taking right now, so the picture displays that is known as thumbnail. Like before playing this complete video, the picture that appears, like if I'm coming to the home,
Okay, the first picture.
exactly.
Okay.
So this is something. And the second, on the second video, what we can see, like the person is there. Insta plus AI is equal to viral. So basically, this is something where she gonna talk about Instagram growth is dead without AI. The title she has chosen is like Instagram growth is dead without AI. So she
Okay.
is saying use AI to get your content viral on Insta, and she has created this thumbnail from any other tool. Like you can use Canva. Just go to Canva and write the keyword YouTube thumbnail, and you will be able to see lot of templates will be there for thumbnail creations. So you have to, don't skip this, you have to always choose a good thumbnail for your video, because it is the good source of getting more and more traffic on your video. Like
Really,
people
yeah.
will come, like if I'm uploading this video as it is, like people will, no, people will not get any option, like they
Okay.
have to read this or this. Ultimately it will create more and more hindrance na, for my audience to click on this. So this is
Right,
something
right.
that you have to always keep in mind. Your thumbnail should be clearly visible, the title should be clearly visible, and it should be enough catchy, like people will open it. Once you will click on that custom, you have to verify with your phone number, then you can upload a custom thumbnail, and you can create with Canva tool, right? Then next we have playlist. So we have discovered playlist options before. Like you can, if I'm talking about the AI tools in 10 parts, so I have
Uh,
to be part 1.
listen, please.
Can you please mute?
No, no, no,
So sorry, right? Yes. So basically, what happens if I'm going to upload more and more parts on specific topic like AI tools? So you have to just to click create one playlist, and right, like you are going to upload part one, part two, part three. You have to always choose that playlist. Like it is easier for your audience to come and check about the videos under the playlist sections. So it is included under AI tools. And then you can see one option, the video is not set for made like is not made for kids. So you have to always keep it, no, it's not made for kids, if only your content is not for kids. Like if you are creating a channel where rhymes and the poems for the kids, or such kind of rhymes and poems are there, so you have to always click on yes, it's made for kids. You have to specify, see this content is just only for the kids. If this is not for the kids, you have to always keep it, no, it's not made for kids. And it doesn't mean that there is some sensitive content or something, but you have to specify. But if you will click on this yes, it's made for kids, so for only the algorithm will change basically, it will shown to kids only. And somehow it is misleading something, so it will create such kind of policies violations on your account as well. So use this only when your account is all about kids, otherwise select this. Then we have age restrictions. If your content includes adult content or something, then you have to restrict this to the viewers over 18, otherwise no. Then once you will click on the show more button, next option we have is paid promotion. In thumbnail also should we insert hashtags? No, we don't need to insert any hashtags on thumbnail. We have to just specify the keyword that will ultimate, and it should not be lengthy. Should always try to keep a small see combination of words, small tags, basically not hashtags, small tags or small combination of words. How to customize thumbnail? You have to go to Canva and customize that accordingly. If you say that it's not made for kids, then kids cannot watch it. Yes, actually the reach of this video will not go to kids, because it is useless for kids. It doesn't mean that it includes such kind of sensitive content and something, But it means like actually what happens now, if it is related to any kids poem or rhymes and something, then you have to go for yes, otherwise always try to keep it no. Then we have paid promotion option. If like I have taken the example na, as an influencer I am promoting some kind of product, then I have to always click on this button, like my video contains paid promotion like a product placement, sponsorship or endorsement. You have to select, because under ads policies or the laws and regulation, if you are promoting something, that you have to always click on this paid promotion. If you are not promoting something, then you have to deselect this. Then we have one option that is altered content. Do any one of the following describe your content? Like makes a real person appear to say or something. It includes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. Alters footage of a real event or place. Generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. So this is something, the original content been altered by you just to create your content. Then you have to click on yes button. Otherwise, you can just skip this, because this is something your content is like, for example, you have taken the content of you have taken a video of Narendra Modi ji, right? And you have changed that content and you have altered that content to create your own video. So you have to click on yes or otherwise no. Or I am telling you, just avoid this. Don't need to specify, because if you are selecting yes, then you had to add a disclosure to your content, like this is being made by AI or something. Like if you have used some real content and you have altered, then you have to give a disclosure. This is not for kids, or this is not for personal sentiments or something. We have next option is automatic chat video, under which automatic chat WSQ. So sorry, actually there was no network, so sorry. Or it's been disconnected by me or by someone, I don't know. Can you hear me right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am, we can hear you.
okay, perfect. So basically what happens, if you are going to click on this allow automatic chapters and key moments, so chapters and key moments make your video easier to watch. Like you can write automatic suggestions by creating your own. See, it's already been taken, like AI tool number one been taken on ad
Ma'am,
specifically
ma'am,
1
excuse
minute
me,
and
ma'am.
39
Okay,
second.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
But
excuse me, ma'am. Again, your voice is breaking very badly.
just wait for 2 minutes. Just wait. Now can you watch my screen? Can you
Yes,
watch my
ma'am.
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait for 2 minutes again. See, can you hear my voice clearly right now? Or it's breaking again?
Yes, ma'am, now we can hear you.
Yeah, it's clearly coming now.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Perfect. So I have to pin myself. Just wait. So this is something we have clicked right now. Like if you are giving
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, your audio is not
Ma'am,
here.
excuse me, ma'am. Again, your voice is not coming, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Again, your voice is not hearing for us.
can you hear me right now?
Yes, ma'am. Now we can hear you.
And can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
And my voice is clearly coming? Is my voice clear to everyone?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now
Perfect.
it's clear.
Okay, thank you. Again repeating, actually once you are going to click on this automatic chapter, which means like automatically it's been generated by AI or the YouTube, like in which at which part like you have explained AI tool 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 something. So this is something you have to always try to keep it on. Then we have featured places, like if you have taken any particular place like restaurants and shops in the video, then if you are clicking on this allow automatic places, so automatically it's been uh, recognized by AI, like your current location being used, or it will display to viewers. Automatic concepts is something like if you have used some of the unfamiliar terms in the video, within the video, if you are going to click on this, then you can see the that word will be there, and accordingly you can watch out the whole information about that concept. Like if you have used a unfamiliar term, then you can add, then it can be automatically appear in the description. And if I'm talking about the automatic concepts, so here you can see these are the automatic chapters, like it's been automatically generated. This is how, like if I just want to read about AI tool number 2 only, then I have to click on this, right? Then we have tags option. This is the most important thing that you have to always use, kind of hashtags. Although we have already taken some of the hashtags in the description, but try to use such kind of tags option as well, and up to 500 characters option are there. You have to add keywords, you have to add the hashtags, as many as you can, right? Then we have to select the video language, recording date and location if you want to go. If you are using any licensed product and you have that license, then you have to, so otherwise don't need to click on this. Then we have shorts remixing or something, like if you want people like others to use your content, and they just want to create your shorts and want to remix with your shorts, though, then you need to click on allow button. When we click on create options only, then we can get access to all of these options. Actually when you are going to upload any of the video, then it's there. Embedding is something where it was allow embedding is something like others to embed your video in their sites. For example, I want to take any person's YouTube video on my content, or like I want to paste this video's content on some other platform, so I am allowing other person to take this and to connect on some other platform. So this is the category that you have to choose, under which category, like this is related to news and politics or education or something, so it comes under education. Type like concept overview, this is the problem type and the problem you can give. like what is the type of the video, it is related to activity, how to, or a concept overview, it's related to tip something. So you have to specify the category and you have to give the problems, like what kind of problems that is solving by this particular video. So you can go for it. You can go for academic system or something. Comments, you can keep your comments on, you can keep off as well. You can moderate it, like don't hold any comments, or inappropriate comments should be restricted, or hold all. If you will click on hold all, so obviously it will be approved by you only, then it will be visible. So this is the detail part that we have covered till now. Now I want you all to cover this thing till details, but in the next class we have next class related to AI tools only. So before moving ahead, I will explain you about the video elements, then checks and the visibility, and then we'll click on next button and we'll publish. So all these 3 points we'll discuss in the next section only. So till now I am just explaining the details part only. So you have to take a quick revision of all the things that we have discovered today, the tools we have covered. So the homework is basically like revise whatever we have covered related to YouTube, and try to create video through the tool that we have discussed, like Heygen AI avatar, DID AI avatars, and AI faceless video. You have to create part. Next page will be visibility. Actually this is something that will take lot of time, and I want it to be discussed very clearly, because this is something that should be used just to grow your channel and to grow your videos reach. So for that reason I'm just explaining to till details, because we have no more time right now. So for that reason just leaving for right now. In the next class we'll cover firstly video elements, then checks, then visibilities, right? Next page will be visibility. Yes. Now bring out your doubts if any related to this, or even you can just share your experience how's the today's session, because we have completed.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
on my channel, on this video, under
Yes.
this what tag, automatic chapters and all these things,
Yes.
there
Yes.
is allow embedding. Below allow embedding, there is publish to subscriptions, feed and notify subscribers.
So this is something like publish to subscriptions, feed and notify subscriber, which means like if you have subscribed my channel, right? So and you have press on bell icon as well, then it will be you will get a notification, like Nancy Dilawar has uploaded one of the video. You will be get a notification. If I'm here, I'm clicking like publish to subscription feed. Like if you have subscribed my channel na, in your feed you will be able to watch my video, and even you will get a notification as well. So this is the option that is all about.
That is off in my this.
Sorry.
It is off on my channel.
No, you have to always keep on. Whatever I'm saying
It's
na,
not
keep it
possible. It
on.
is
You should keep it on. So always try to keep it on.
no, I'm not able to make it on because it is done by YouTube only.
So I guess this is the reason like you don't have any subscriptions right now. Like if you have, how many subscribers you have?
13.
Okay, so there might be some reasons for this. Like you have verified your account with phone number.
Yes, yes.
So there is some different thing that we have to. Yes, I'm repeating the homework. No worries, I'm repeating. I just want you to share the experience about today's day. Then I'll share the homework. I watch in the next class. I will see your query in detail, right? Actually, the
Today's session was
homework
very nice.
is actually the homework is you have to you have to take a quick revision whatever we have covered related to YouTube, right? If you have created one of your video for your channel, then you have to create a one YouTube thumbnail as well for that video, and you have to create videos as well for your YouTube channel or whatever the category you can take as per your choice. But try to use Hagen AI avatar, DID AI presenter, or AI faceless video. Any of these three you can use and you can create video, or it's good if you will use all these three. So this is the homework actually. Now is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Thank you. If you are liking the sessions, thank you so much.
Today's
Great.
session was
Cool.
very nice, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, some of us had our YouTube channel, so please have a look at it and tell what is the comment.
Actually, your voice is not clear. Can you write your query in chat box?
Actually,
Actually,
some
your
of us
voice is not clear.
have shared our YouTube channel link. So could you please have a look at that and tell your experience?
Yes, Nisha, repost your Canva query. No, actually, I can't understand what your query is because your voice is not clear. Please write down in chat box. In Canva, AI voice speed is very fast. For just speed, it asks to upgrade for free. Is there really an alternative for AI voice? No, actually, on that specific tool, there is no way to reduce the speed, but you can go for some other tools like I have already told you, AI voiceover. So you can create any of the video without using that voice or something. You can choose some alternative tool like the AI voiceover that is given in Canva only, or we will cover more AI tools in the next class as well. So I guess it will be clear to you in next class, Nisha. If it's not clear, then you can bring out your doubts again. But in that, on that specific tool, it's not available to reduce the speed or something, right? Clear? Any other doubt? Okay, again the same issues there. No worries, Nisha. Yes, Pranav, for sure you can share in the group. Then we'll check for sure. Okay, so no doubts. Bye 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 everyone. And in the next class, again, I'm repeating, we will have more details about the video upload part, and then we'll move to AI part, right? In Canva, in voice, there is no space there in between the lines or the script we gave. What to do about it? You have to give the space between them. Like if you are writing your own script, you have to give space, comma, or something. Vani, you have raised this question, right? Okay. Bye 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 everyone. I hope you like the session. We'll meet in the next class. Bye. Thank you. Most welcome.
Bye, ma'am.